Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do a practice live on Instagram. So if you're feeling nervous about going live on Instagram, you don't need to worry. On this video, I'm going to show you how to do a practice live so you can test everything before your real audience sees it. So you can just open your Instagram application, and in here just open the live setup. You can swipe right like this to open the camera, or you can also just click on the plus icon at the bottom and choose the live options, this one. And don't forget to make sure that your Instagram is up to date to the latest version, so this feature is there. So before you hit the go live button, this one, these options, look at the top where you say followers. So you can just tap it and change it into practice. So when you do that, no one will be notified, so only you can see the stream now. You can use this mode to test your camera, mic, lighting, and also Wi-Fi. Say something, test angles, or even rehearse your full live. So let's just click on this white button to start the live. It will start counting down. So now I already in this live. You can see I can invite someone to co-host this live video, and here is where the questions is. You can click on this. You can see that there will be comment. You can also add someone. Here you can test out the microphone. You can switch the camera, or you can also add a filter. Let's click on next. You can manage your live and see who's watching in here. You can add face filter, control camera, and or mute audio. And you can view questions from your audience and share them to the screen. So let's say I want to add some filter. You can click on this filter button on the left side of the screen and choose the filter that you want for your live. You can switch the camera. You can mute by clicking on this microphone icon. Here you can also turn off the camera for a while if you want. And to see the question, you can just click on the question mark icon at the bottom. You can also share this live if you want. So if you're done practicing, you can just start now by clicking on the close this and click on now, and you can just start a new one with followers. So once you're ready, you can end the practice and let it go live for real. And that's it, easy and stress-free. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Also, don't forget to click on thanks. Bye.